In this video, we're going to be talking about the directed aggregation relationship in SysML. We'll be using Cameo as our tool to show this. So with that, we'll get started. So what we're seeing here is we have our hotel. Our hotel is composed of rooms using the directed composition. And this asterisk here means many, so the hotel has many rooms. And rooms have many pieces of furniture. But we use the directed aggregation relationship from room to furniture because the room is still a room without the furniture. The hotel is not a hotel without the rooms. The easy way to explain this is if you've got your system of interest, which in this case is your hotel, and you were to pick that up and turn it upside down, anything that falls out of your system would be the directed aggregation, while anything that remains part of the system would be a directed composition relationship. Hope that helps.